Hello everyone, welcome back to CODTECH IT Solutions. Before moving on to this video, congratulations everyone for being the part of internship opportunity provided by CODTECH IT Solutions. I hope you will learn new things and perform the task very well. So let's move on to the video without any further delays. In this video, I will explain you the process of how to submit the form, where to submit it, and the way to perform these tasks and how to perform these tasks. So first of all, you will get the submission link with this video link in your WhatsApp groups, whichever the WhatsApp group you are present in the internship group. Let's get back to our video. For better understanding, I have divided this video into some different parts. So the first part of our video will be the basic details of filling the form of intern details. So first thing what we will see is our entering the name. So remember, whatever the details you have filling in this form should be the equal to the details what you have filled earlier in the application form. So whatever the details present in your offer letter, just get back to your offer letter, open the offer letter and check your name and enter the full name as the name that present in the offer letter. Enter the mail address that you have registered with while filling the application form, and then after entering the email address, just get back to the college name, enter your college name. I'm entering just a random mail address, but make sure to you fill the appropriate one, and then go back to your college name and enter your college name, and then later go back to the phone number, enter your mobile number and entering your random number. So the main thing what you have to do is intern ID. At the place of intern ID, go open your offer letter and copy your intern ID and then get back to the submission form. After copying it, paste your intern ID. So this is the process of first part. Make sure to fill these details clearly without any errors, because these are the things what you have to be printed on your certificate, right? So please make sure to do this without any error. Let's move on to our next part, that is posting offer letter in LinkedIn. So whatever offer letter you have received from us, please post it in the LinkedIn platform and make a copy of the post and post it and submit it in the submission form. Why we are taking this initiation is it is very helpful for you in your future. So it is not kind of any promotion from our side. So this is a mandatory field to fill the submission form. After pasting the URL, you have the next field is internship start date. So for this, let's get back to our offer letter. Now here you can see July 1st, 2024 to August 15th, 2024. It is your start date and it is your end date. So fill the fields quickly, like simply add the dates 01/07/2024 and then next the internship end date, that is August 15th, 2024. Fill your appropriate internship start and end dates. This is the end of our part 2. Let's move on to our next part, that is part 3, GitHub repository. This is the part for those who don't have a GitHub account and those who need to know how to create a GitHub account. Just simply go onto a Google browser and search GitHub. You will be redirecting to the GitHub official website. Click on the link for creating a free account. So here you will find the email address, password and username. So enter your email address and password. Find the username that is not used earlier and then click continue. So then you will be getting some verification process, like you are not a robot. Just simply complete the process, then the GitHub account of yours will be created successfully. This is how it will look like when we open our GitHub account. So in the corner we will find an option called create repository. Click on the create repository option. You will be redirecting to the repository page. So what we have to do is open our PDF. Then we have to copy the task name which we are performing. So copy the task name and place it in the column of repository name. make sure to copy and paste the name of the task. And then the next option is public. You have to make your repository public, and then click on the checkbox of a readme file. Then click on create repository. The repository of yours is created with readme file successfully. So here we can see in the bottom the readme file showing the task name portfolio website with advanced animation. This is a task 1 of web development. So I will be explaining both the coding platform task and as well as no code platform task. So watch the video carefully. So here once we click on the edit readme file, we will be redirecting to the editor pane. So I will explain for the process of coding people in the sense web development, Python, Java and etc. And non-coding people in the sense Figma, UI, UX and all these types of domains. So first, for the domains of coding people, now in the editor pane what we have to do is first we have to enter our company name, under which organization you are working, or under which organization you are performing this internship. So first company name CODTECH IT Solutions, and then enter your name which is a respect to the offer letter that you have got, and then after the name enter your intern ID. It should be similar to the offer letter. So all these things make sure to copy paste from your offer letter, which will be better for you. And then after the intern ID enter domain name like web development, Java, Python, etc. And then batch duration will be like July 1st to August 15th respected to your offer letter. Please enter it. And then it comes to the mentor name. Here mentor name is Neela Santosh. It will be similar for all the people of internship. So make sure to enter Neela Santosh. And then the next part of the readme file is we have to enter a description of our project. So the description of our project may include the tools you have used, the libraries we have used, or the resources from where we got all the resources, and how the output have came. All these things you have to include in the readme file. So make sure to upload this readme file, and the words should not less than 500, and that's all for the readme file. Now click on commit changes. The commits will be changes, and whatever the description you have entered, it will be saved. Now the next part what we have to do is adding our files into the GitHub repository. So adding file are different options. You can directly input it from the VS Code, or simply there is a better option. Just click on code, and you will be seeing an option called add file. Once you click on add file, you will be seeing the option of create the file or upload the file. So make sure to whatever you have written the code in editor platforms like VS Code or ideally J for Java and PyCharm for Python, make sure to create a folder for the files. So it will be easy for you to add it into the GitHub repository. So click on the upload file option. You will be redirecting to the computer space. Then select the files whatever you have done in the folder, and you will be redirecting again to the GitHub. And then all the files what you have selected will be showing in your homepage of repository. And then what you have to do is after executing the code, you will get an output for whatever the domain you have selected, and this output you have to paste it in the readme file. So I will show the process how to insert an image into the readme file. So simply follow the process I have showing on my PC. Click on issue button. You will be finding an option called paste or drop, or click on the add files. Then you can paste your picture of output here. You will be getting a link. So copy this link and go back to code, and this in the readme file you can paste the copied link of issues. Once you paste your link, you can commit changes. Then the output of the code whatever you performed will be shown in the readme file successfully. So this is how the process for the people of coding domains like web development, Java, etc. And now click on the URL of your page, copy the path and paste the link in the submission form of task 1 repository link. So the process of first task is completed successfully. The people of coding part can skip the end conclusion part of the video. From here, the video continues for the non-coding people like digital marketing, UI UX and Figma. These people, please make sure to watch the entire video from now to understand the process of submitting your tasks. So this is very similar to the task of coding platform. Just what you have to change is instead of inserting the files of programming languages, you can insert the files of your outputs of whatever task you have performed, and the readme file for you guys will be similar to the coding platform as well. Just simply I'm copy pasting the readme file of the previous readme file and creating a new repository name with the task name, and click on the public button and then checkbox for readme file and click create repository. Our repository for the task will be created, and we have to edit our repository with the first initial information of our company name and our domain, our duration, all these you have to commit the changes in readme file, and our readme file will be ready. So what we have to do is writing the description part for our task. It should not less than 500 words, and the same thing what we have to do is copy paste the picture of output what you have task performed, and then submit it in the issue box, and then copy the URL what we got and submit it in the readme file. Now the output attached to the readme file we can see on our dashboard. So this is how we have to perform all the tasks for non-coders and coders. Make sure to follow each and every step without any errors, and the part for non-coder peoples has also concluded. So now at last what we have to conclude is everyone have to perform 4 tasks from the provided PDF. All the 4 tasks after you perform, you have to submit in the submission form. In the submission form, you will be finding 4 different repository links. Each repository link is related to each of the tasks of your PDF. So complete all those tasks within your deadlines. The deadline for the task will be in your offer letter. Check the duration for deadline. Hence, in this duration, you have to complete all the 4 tasks and then submit it to avail your certificate. Note, only the people who submit the task will receive the certificates, and make sure to complete it within the deadline. And for completing these tasks, you can utilize the opportunity of internet's resources like YouTube, and you can also use the ChatGPT for only learning purpose, but make sure to you not copy the code and simply paste it, because we're having a software called cheat bot detector which detects the code generated by AI platforms. So make sure to not do this mistake in your coding journey. So please follow the guidelines clearly and instructions clearly. Make sure to leave a comment if you find any difficulty in performing the task, or you can reach out the mentor. He will guide you throughout the process of internship. And if you like the video, please make sure to like it and share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe it. If you find any difficulty, rewatch the video. You will understand all the process of internship. So, and by this I'm concluding this video. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please make sure to leave the comment if you enjoyed it, and thank you for your time, and make sure to subscribe CODTECH IT Solutions. Bye bye.